In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Termux. First, let's open the Google Play Store. On your device, locate the Play Store icon, which usually looks like a colorful triangle. It's often found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap the icon, the Play Store will load. It may take a moment depending on your internet speed. This step is crucial because the Play Store is where you will find Termux. Having access to the latest apps ensures that you are downloading the most secure and up-to-date version. Now that you're in the Play Store, you will see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in Termux. As you type, suggestions may appear below. Make sure to select the correct app as there are many apps with similar names. This is important because you want to avoid downloading the wrong application. The right Termux app will have a simple logo and a clear description, ensuring you are on the right track. Once you've entered Termux into the search bar, tap the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. The Play Store will display search results. Look for the Termux app among the results. It should be one of the top listings. This step helps you quickly locate the app you want to download. You want to ensure you're selecting the official Termux app for the best experience. Now let's tap the Install button next to the Termux app. After you tap this button, the download process will begin. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is essential because it initiates the installation of Termux on your device. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. While you wait for the installation to finish, you can take a moment to review the app's description and user ratings. This information can give you insights into how others have found their experience with Termux. It's always good to know what to expect before diving into a new application. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification. This confirmation lets you know that the app is ready to use. After the installation is finished, you will want to open Termux from your app drawer. To do this, navigate to your app drawer by swiping up or tapping the app drawer icon depending on your device. In the app drawer, scroll through the list of installed apps until you find Termux. It's usually listed alphabetically. This step is the final one in the installation process. You're almost ready to start using Termux. When you tap on the Termux icon, the app will launch. You may see a terminal interface appear on your screen. This is the main interface of Termux where you can begin to use its powerful features. It's exciting to see everything come together. Now that you have Termux installed, you can explore its capabilities and utilize it for your projects. This process is straightforward, and now you have Termux on your device. Enjoy exploring all the features this application offers. You will find it to be a valuable tool for your development needs. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Happy coding!